Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and today we will discuss 10 important questions and their right answers on Charles Dickens. Let's start. Charles Dickens 1812 to 1870. First question, literary age. To which literary age did Charles Dickens belong? It is the question. The answer is Charles Dickens belonged to the Victorian age. Victorian age. Next question. Born in. Charles Dickens was born in dash. In which city? The answer is in Portsmouth. Ports. Charles Dickens was born in Portsmouth. Question number 3. First editor of dash. Charles Dickens was the first editor of a newspaper. What is that newspaper? It is the question. The answer is he was the first editor of the Daily News. The Daily News. Next question. First novel. What is Dickens' first novel? What is the first novel of Charles Dickens? It is the question. The answer is Dickens' first novel is Pickwick Papers. Papers. Next question. Most autobiographical novel. What is the most autobiographical novel of Charles Dickens? It is the question. The answer is David Copperfield is his most autobiographical novel. David Copperfield. Next question. Episodic novel. What is Dickens' episodic novel? What is the episodic novel of Charles Dickens? It is the question. The answer is Pickwick Papers. Pickwick Papers is his episodic novel. Next question. Theme of the Lodge delay in dash. Charles Dickens deals with the theme of the lodge delay in dash. In which novel? It is the question. The answer is Charles Dickens deals with the theme of the lodge delay in Little Dorrit. Little Dorrit. Little Dorrit. Next question. The most worthless. One of Dickens's novels is generally called the most worthless. What is that novel? It is the question. And the answer is the Child's History of England. His novel is called The Most Worthless. The Child's History of England. Next question. English workhouses. Charles Dickens portrays the degradations and sufferings of the poor in a novel? Which novel? In which novel does Dickens portray the theme of the degradations and sufferings of the poor in English workhouses? Is the question, and the answer is Oliver Twist. Oliver Twist is the novel. Oliver Twist is the novel. Next question. Charles Dickens's one novel deals with the life of a circus child called Sissy Jup. Sissyjup. Which is that novel that deals with the life of a circus child called Sissy Jup? And the answer is Hard Times is that novel. Now friends, I have to repeat all the questions and answers. Charles Dickens, 1812 to 1870. First, literary age. Victorian age. Dickens's literary age is Victorian age. Born in. Dickens was born in Portsmouth. First editor of Dash, a newspaper. Which newspaper? The Daily News. The Daily News is that newspaper where Dickens was the first editor. First novel. What is Dickens's first novel? First novel is Pickwick Papers. Most autobiographical novel. What is Dickens's most autobiographical novel? David Copperfield is that novel, which is the most autobiographical novel. Episodic novel. What is Dickens's episodic novel? Pickwick Papers is an episodic novel of Charles Dickens. Theme of the lodge delay in Dash. Dickens deals with the theme of the lodge delay in Little Dorrit. His novel, Little Dorrit. The most worthless. What is the most worthless novel of Charles Dickens? The Child's History of England is generally called the most worthless. 9. English workhouses. Charles Dickens portrays the degradations and sufferings of the poor in English workhouses. In which novel did Dickens portray the degradation and suffering of the poor? In which novel? This is the question. The answer is Oliver Twist is that novel where Dickens portrays the degradation and sufferings of the poor in English workhouses. Life of a circus child. Dickens deals with the life of a circus child named Sissy Jup in a novel. Which is that novel? It is a question. The answer is Hard Times is that novel where Dickens deals with the life of a circus child called Sissy Jup. Sissyjup. Now friends, I have already discussed all the questions and their right answers, and if you are satisfied with this discussion, you have to subscribe my channel and you have to like, comment and share a lot. Thank you.